Hello, my name is James Reese. I am currently studying to become a clinical psychologist. In order to do this, this will require me getting a PhD. The job description of a clinical psychologist is the following: identifying psychological, emotional, or behavioral issues, diagnosing psychological, emotional, or behavioral disorders, develop and implement treatment plans and therapeutic processes, help clients define goals and plan actions to achieve personal, social, educational, and vocational development and adjustment, monitor client progress through regular meetings or sessions, teach classes, conduct research, and publish research findings in industry journals. So, how do we turn a blank slate like this into a clinical psychologist? Well, it's simple: education. The education required is a PhD. So in order to get a PhD, that means that I will have to go to 4 years of undergraduate school. I am currently studying as a psychology major. This is not required to become a clinical psychologist at the undergraduate, well, at the PhD level, but it's not required at the undergraduate level to have a psychology major. And another thing that I am doing to help with that is I am doing research in my classes. I'm doing extracurricular research, or at least trying to. And then after that, I will have grad school, which will go for about 4 to 7 years. So why do I want to be a clinical psychologist? Well, for one, I love psychology. It's one of my passions. I love helping people. I love understanding the human mind. I like trying to figure out how things work. It's like a puzzle to me. I love it. And then the other thing is I've always kind of had a knack for it. Like it's something that I've always been good at. So I hope you enjoyed this presentation. Here are my sources, and thank you so much.